Statewide protests, forced rapid changes in structural plans, delayed approvals. After so many initial hurdles, Tesla is finally building their $4 billion Gigafactory in Berlin. And in today's video, we're going to be sharing with you all the details about the gigantic Gigafactory Tesla is building outside the German capital of Berlin. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to FutureFile to watch more fascinating videos on futuristic tech. Tesla is taking the next leap forward in their car production plans with a new factory just outside Berlin in 2021. This quiet rural German municipality will host one of the largest car factories in Europe. Tesla will directly take on the likes of Toyota and Peugeot in Europe with this factory. You might be wondering how. Tesla had plans for a large factory located in Europe circulating as early as 2015. From the very beginning, it was thought of a combined factory for the production of vehicles as well as batteries. In November 2019, the plans for the factory were officially announced as Gigafactory 4, but it was renamed to Giga Berlin afterwards. Prior to this, more than 10 European countries have campaigned to host Tesla's huge factory within their jurisdictions. These European countries include France, the Netherlands, Czechia, Poland, Portugal, Spain, Finland, Lithuania, and Estonia. All these countries jumped at the opportunity to host what was essentially a very huge economic booming opportunity. They also began providing subsidies and incentive packages for manufacturers of electric vehicles. On 12 November 2019, Elon Musk announced that Berlin, Germany would host the Gigafactory. Currently, the factory's production list includes things such as batteries, battery packs, vehicle powertrains, and the assembly of the Tesla Model Y. Construction work is already underway after Tesla recently managed to clear out some certain environmental challenges and go ahead with clearing the vegetation out. Undoubtedly, the factory will provide a sizable boost to the German economy's production sector, which does not lack forces to begin. Being the birthplace of the automobile, Germany knows a thing or two about the car industry. Even then, the possibility of thousands of new jobs is attractive no matter which country you are from. The statisticians at Global Data think that the factory is the most beneficial for Tesla to be built early this decade. This is because Tesla will get direct access to the European EV market, which is already a fast-growing, burgeoning market. It will soon be the second largest region for the industry after China due to the European Union's stringent carbon dioxide emissions regulations. Germany's central location within Europe and its position as the heart of Europe's automotive industry and the market with all of its established brands makes Berlin the soundest choice possible for Tesla to make. Production of electric vehicles in Europe is expected to reach 1.7 million by 2023 and then 5 million by 2034, making European EV production second to EV production in China. Locating the factory in Germany also gives Tesla an already experienced workforce. Recruitment at the factory will work in tandem with Tesla's engineering and design center in Berlin, which will make use of Germany's much applauded rich engineering resources. But things are not all so rosy. Since the beginning of the year, hundreds of local residents and activists from the Green League Brandenburg Eco Group protested against the factory. The German State Environment Agency currently holds about 413 legal objections from citizens. Those protesting the building of the factory do so motivated by fear of the factory's location near a nature reserve. According to a protester named Frank Gersdorf, all those protesting are also fearing that the 8,000 inhabitants living in Grünheide will be affected by Giga Berlin. They fear that not only will the huge factory greatly contaminate the air and water supply, they will also lead to an increase in traffic to the region, which will ruin the lifestyle that Grünheide's inhabitants have come to adopt for decades. German Chancellor Angela Merkel has praised Tesla's project, however, so it remains to be seen how the protests play out. Some court proceedings have taken place, but they have yielded no results this far. Elon Musk and Tesla are similarly undeterred in their pursuit of getting the factory built to completion. All parties involved are betting on the factory being built completely, as the economic stimulus is indeed too great to ignore and throw away. We hope a consensus can be reached with Tesla pledging to protect the environment in Grünheide. If you like this video, you may also enjoy our full playlist on Tesla that is shown in the end screen. And please subscribe to FutureFile to watch more fascinating videos on futuristic tech.